Heather Bresser with Heather Bresser Online. I am so excited. Today is National Handbag Day. What a quirky little holiday. But I wanted to talk about one of the biggest frustrations that I get sometimes is where are my keys? How do you organize these things where if you change purses, do you take everything with you? Nothing worse than driving away and then getting somewhere and forgot the credit card at home. Oops. So I wanted to show you a couple of ways that I organize this beast. I love these little zip clear pouches. So this one is kind of like my makeup bag. It also has my glasses in it. So I just call this my beauty bag. It's just a vinyl bag with a zipper. Super, super easy. I have another one that's a little different. This one holds my office stuff. So my card reader, my brick for charging, my most important charging cord, a couple pens so that I know what to grab. My keys. I love this. They come in all sorts of little designs. I just happen to have a little flag one that's in the shape of a heart, and it literally just clips on the inside of my bag. So I never lose my keys. Have my business cards in the front, in a little matching little gold pouch. And so all I have to do really is grab the three basic things plus the keys and pop them into my new, if I choose to do a different handbag. So happy National Handbag Day. I hope you have a wonderful day, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and share. I'm sure there's a mompreneur out there that would love tips and tricks on looking her best in the quickest and short amount of time. And I will see you around the tribe. Have a great day.